Hello everyone, welcome to Maker Monday. So we're going to learn quite a few things tonight. Let's get into it.
Hello, and welcome to the Jesse McCann Public Library presentation, Introduction to Snapchat. Ready to talk to your friends? Snapchat makes communication fun and versatile. Send a picture or video directly to specific friends or add it to your story for friends to view. Reply to your friends or they'll reply to you and start chatting. Make a video call or gather your closest friends in a group chat. Play around with the many filters, stickers, text, video editing, and more, while personalizing your snap. Share your adventures with friends and be ready to join theirs. Snaps disappear, so you better hurry. Snapchat Basics. Become proficient using Snapchat in 15 minutes. Add friends, view stories, chat, and send snaps. Skills and concepts. Getting started, friends, adding and locating stories, chats, your snaps. Today you will add 3 friends, view a story, start a chat, create a snap using a filter, text, and sticker, post to your story. You will need Internet, Snapchat, and YouTube. Getting started. Access your device's App Store and download Snapchat. When it finishes downloading, open Snapchat. At the bottom of your screen, tap the option to sign up. Follow the prompts until your account is created and you are logged in. Before we proceed, click the link below to watch a quick introduction to Snapchat. Watch from 1 minute 26 seconds to 5 minutes and 21 seconds. Snapchat opens to the camera screen. Take a photo or video snap by tapping or holding the circle at the bottom of the screen. Add a lens by tapping the smiling emoji to the right of the circle. Add a filter by swiping right or left after taking a photo or video before sending. On the camera screen, tap the photo stack icon below the circle to view your Snapchat memories. These are snaps you've saved. Access the chat screen by swiping left or the Discover screen by swiping right. Or you can tap the icons at the bottom of the screen. When you're on either of these screens, tap the center circle to return to the camera. Adding friends. Search for friends using the search bar at the top of the screen. This search bar remains on all 3 of the main screens, Chat, Camera, and Discover. Search for a specific name or sync your contacts. To sync your contacts, tap the Discover icon or swipe right. Tap the icon that has the outline of a head and shoulders with a plus sign beside it. This will allow you to add friends directly using a snap code, using suggestion from Snapchat, or by syncing your contacts using all contacts. Add 5 friends. You'll need them for the next step. Adding friends. Search for friends using the search bar at the top of the screen. This search bar remains on all 3 of the main screens, Chat, Camera, and Discover. Search for a specific name or sync your contacts. To sync your contacts, tap the Discover icon or swipe right. Tap the icon that has the outline of a head and shoulders with a plus sign beside it. This will allow you to add friends directly, using a snap code, using suggestions from Snapchat, or by syncing your contacts using all contacts. Add 5 friends. You'll need them for the next step. Friend Stories. If you're not already on it, tap the Discover icon to view stories. If your friends have a story, it will be at the top of the screen. Take a look at what your friends are doing. Chats. Respond to one of the stories by typing in the Send a Chat box at the bottom of the screen. When you send or receive a snap, it will likely initiate a chat. You can reply with text or take a picture or a video and begin a chat using snaps. Snapchat. Get it? Your snaps. Your turn. Return to the camera. Use the arrows at the top to switch from regular camera to selfie mode. Tap the lens icon and swipe through the options until you find one you want to use. Take the picture by tapping the circle of the lens you are using or the camera circle when you aren't using the lens. To record a video, hold it down for up to 10 seconds. Thank you for viewing the Jesse McCann Public Library presentation on Snapchat.
I hope you enjoyed this video. If you would like to see more Maker Monday videos, check out this playlist. You can also learn more about the JCPL Creative Space at www.jesspublib.org/creative space.